The most common location for a water pressure regulator is just beyond the water meter. A water pressure regulator is also called a water pressure reducing valve. If you know that your municipal water pressure is greater than 80 psi, it's likely that you do have a water pressure reducing valve because most plumbing codes adopted by states and communities require that you have one installed if the pressure is greater than 80 psi. If you have a sprinkler system, it's probably not downstream from a water pressure reducing valve. If you live in a cold weather climate, the water pipes will be buried below the frost line, and the water pressure reducing valve is probably located inside of the house. Check the basement and crawl space walls that face the front of the house for the water service entry point and water meter. It's most likely that the water main is located in the front of the house. This entry point is about 4 feet down from ground level. If you can't find the entry point on the front wall, then check the other outside walls. If the house is built on a slab, the water supply entry point may be close by the hot water heater. Follow the cold water pipe to look for it. Check in the garage. If you live in a warm weather climate, the water pressure reducing valve could be outside. Because there are no freezing temperatures, the water lines don't need to be buried deeply. Look for a water meter box along the curb at the front of the house. Check inside of the meter box. Cold weather locations should have a curb stop instead of a meter box. If you are unlucky, the water pressure reducing valve is buried just beyond the water meter box. Don't start digging yet. Walk from the meter box in a direct line to your home. There may be an additional box in the lawn. Check inside the home directly across from the meter box. Look for access panels. If the pipe is metal, a metal detector may be helpful. I hope your hunt is successful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name to find other videos about pressure reducing valves. And thanks for watching.